Welcome to my honest review of ActiveCampaign, an all-in-one email marketing and automation platform designed for businesses of all sizes. If you're looking for a tool that can help automate customer engagement, manage contacts, and improve your marketing strategies, this review is for you. Let's start with the interface and user experience. Upon logging into ActiveCampaign, you're greeted with a clean dashboard that provides a clear overview of your contacts, campaigns, and automation workflows. The navigation is intuitive, making it easy for beginners to find their way around. However, the platform does come with a slight learning curve due to the depth of features available. One of the strongest aspects of ActiveCampaign is its automation capabilities. The automation builder is visual and easy to use, allowing you to create complex sequences based on triggers, conditions, and actions. You can set up automated email sequences, follow-ups, and even SMS marketing campaigns. Compared to other tools in the industry, ActiveCampaign offers more flexibility and customization, making it a great option for advanced marketers. Email campaigns are another highlight. ActiveCampaign provides a variety of email templates, a drag-and-drop email editor, and personalization options. The platform allows for segmentation, meaning you can send highly targeted emails to specific groups of subscribers based on their behavior and preferences. This improves email engagement rates and overall marketing effectiveness. A standout feature is the built-in CRM, which helps businesses manage customer relationships more effectively. The CRM integrates seamlessly with email marketing and automation, enabling sales and marketing teams to work together efficiently. You can track leads, set up automated follow-ups, and manage deals all within the same platform. This makes ActiveCampaign a strong contender for businesses looking for both email marketing and CRM solutions in one place. If you're wondering about analytics and reporting, ActiveCampaign provides in-depth insights into email performance, automation success rates, and contact behavior. The reporting dashboard is detailed and allows you to track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion tracking. These insights help businesses optimize their campaigns and improve their marketing strategies over time. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now, let's talk about pricing. ActiveCampaign offers multiple pricing tiers based on the number of contacts and features needed. While the pricing is on the higher end compared to some competitors, the advanced automation, CRM, and segmentation capabilities justify the cost for businesses that need robust marketing tools. There is a free trial available, which is useful for testing the platform before committing to a paid plan. Support and customer service are another key consideration. ActiveCampaign provides 24/7 chat and email support, and higher-tier plans offer one-on-one training and a dedicated account rep. The support team is responsive and knowledgeable, which is an advantage if you run into any technical difficulties. Additionally, there are plenty of self-help resources, including documentation, webinars, and an active community forum. Now, who is ActiveCampaign best suited for? This platform is ideal for businesses that need advanced email marketing automation, CRM integration, and detailed reporting. It works well for small businesses, e-commerce stores, and enterprises looking to scale their marketing efforts. However, for users looking for a simpler email marketing tool without complex automation needs, it might feel overwhelming. Overall, my experience with ActiveCampaign has been positive. The platform is packed with features, highly customizable, and designed to help businesses improve customer engagement through automation and targeted communication. While it has a learning curve and a higher price point, the value it provides makes it worth considering for serious marketers. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews on marketing tools and SaaS platforms. Let me know in the comments if you've used ActiveCampaign and what your experience has been.